Dear student, welcome to the class of GK. And today we are going to see 7th chapter 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. 7 chapters. But don't worry about it because among these 5 are descriptive chapter only that we have to read, and we will try to get some more knowledge regarding the particular things which is given in the chapter. For example, chapter number 4 is about the internet of things. So how the internet work over here in the different things, that is given in this chapter in descriptive way, that you should have to read and try to understand it, as well as try to enhance your knowledge regarding the internet. So this about internet, IoT means internet of things, is a network on which things of our everyday use can connect it to the internet. Okay, and here some many other things are there, and I know in this field you all are more smarter than me. Then variables are there, then smart cities, these all transportation, healthcare, where the internet helps us. This is given in this chapter. So this is descriptive chapter. I am sending you in PDF, you please read and understand it. Then chapter number 25, it is about artificial intelligence. This is a new idea, not a new idea, it's idea of a old one, but now all the scientists, very especially the computer scientists, are work for this artificial intelligence. And basic on the artificial intelligence, many other equipments are found. Sometimes this technology help us to improve our skill, very especially in medical field. And I hope you may have seen about that picture robot also. This robot is also depend on the artificial intelligence. So what is artificial intelligence? That you read from this chapter and then try to understand. All these things are descriptive things are there, and where it is work, that is also given. Robotics, then games, natural language. So these are the things you please read and enhance your knowledge. Then about driverless cars. Now you know that in the field of motor car also there are various inventions are coming out. Then means Tesla is now going to make up a car run by battery powered car, and now there will be time that is about a driverless car also. So the car which can be drive without driver. Okay, and how it could be possible? Can be possible if the artificial intelligence and computer and software all this work very nicely. Definitely we will have driverless cars in nearby future on the roads. So this is one model of driverless car is given. Then about hyperloop, this is also about see here, hyperloop is an upcoming futuristic mode of transport capable of covering vast distance faster than the aeroplanes. The concept, the brainchild of innovator and entrepreneur Elon Musk, who is think about, or who developed about hyperloop, that is Elon Musk. And so here also nice information is there about hyperloop that you please try and learn. Then about space tourism, because the people who has lots of money, they are now tired about wandering on the earth. They want to go to have a round in space also, and for them space tourism is also developing. And here some of the names are there, those who have taken a chance of to go in the space by their own. Okay, you please read and understand. And now here we are moving to an interesting chapter, that is number rule. And here I am sending you answer of these 2 chapters with total description. But listen how the answers are coming out, that also I am going to explain you here in the video. Here you can see one figure, that is you can see 13 is there, then 4 is there, 8 is there, 42 is there, 76 is there. Same way 11, 2, 8, 24 and 83 are given. Now in third 59 is given, and other all numbers we have to form. So here we are going to see the relation. What is the relation? Upper word you see 13 number is there. So we can say 7 plus 6 is equal to 13, because this can be checked by 8 plus 3, 11. Same way 7 into 6 is equal to 42 downwards. So 8 into 3, 24. Then 4 2s are 8. Okay, this is downwards. And then 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Then what type of numbers will be here? So 5 plus 9, 14 will be upwards. Downwards will be 5 9s are 45. Then 4 5s are 20, again downwards. And here what we have written? 5 9, 14. So 1 4, it answer will be 5. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. Then here you can see this in triangle some numbers are given, middle number we have to found. Now what is the condition over here? How we can find the middle number? That is you make the count 7 plus 2 plus 2 plus 9 plus 3 plus 5. Togetherly how many are there? 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 2 11, 11 9 20, 20 23 25, 25. 28 will be the answer, because this only is there in the other 2 given triangles. See here 8, 8 plus 3 11, 11 plus 5 16, 16 plus 1 17, 17 plus 6 23. So middle number is 23. So the middle number is the total of all the digit which is given in the corner. Now here for the answer 3 we have to make out a total. For example 4 plus 87 plus 985. So what the answer will be? 1076. So in the question mark answer will be 1. Same way here also. First we can add this 70 plus 998. So and then you subtract it from 1077. Answer you will get, that is what the answer will be there? Upwards, that is 9. Okay, 9 plus 70 plus 998. So there will be the answer 1077. So in this way you will get the answer. Now in fourth what is the relation? You see here 36 is there, 84 are there, 124 is there, 15 is there, and in middle 129 is there. So what is the relation? 36 plus 24 in horizontal line, plus without the middle number. 36 plus 24, because here we have to find out middle number. So here now don't think about middle number. 36 plus 24 is equal to 60. Then 84 minus 15. 84 minus 15 will be 69. Now together 60 plus 69 is equal to 129. So here you can see the answer 129 is there. Same idea we have to follow over here. 96 plus 25. So 96 plus 10, sorry, not 25. 96 plus 10 horizontal line. So it is 106 and plus 25 minus 5. So 20. 106 plus 20 is equal to 126. Then here it is about square. 16, square root of 16 is equal to 4. Square root of 36 is equal to 6. So 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. Same way here we have to apply in the middle. Square root of 25, that is 5. 49 is 7. So 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. Sorry. 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. Then here what I am answer which I am sending you, in that I have given the questioning figure is 1 only, and then the answering figure I have given 2 figure only. Here 3 figures are there. I have wrote only sending only 2 figure. One is for the explanation, the relation, other is with the answer. And here in this question number 6, 587, 824 and 237. How it comes? Just to do minus 824 minus 587, it will be 237 because same relation is here. 594 minus 236 is equal to 358. So what will be the upward answer is 424 minus 242, that is 242. 242 is the answer. Okay. Now the next. Here we have to make the total again of these three half semicircle. 12 plus 17 29 plus 13 42. So 7 6 are 42. Same way here 25 plus 20 45 45 plus 36, that is 81. 9 9s are 81. So here also the same. 8 plus 8 16. 16 and 4 32. So 8 4s are 32. Answer will be 4. Okay. Then here the answer is 7 because 5 3s are 15, 5 3s are 15 and 8 plus 7 is also 15, or 7 plus 5 is equal to 12, 12 plus 3 15, 7 plus 5 12 plus 3 15 and 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. So this only the relation can be set over there. So answer is 7, and here the answer is 5 4 and 3 is there. So make the square. 5, what is the square of 5? 25. Square of 4, that is 16. 5 का स्क्वायर 25, 4 का स्क्वायर 25, सॉरी 16. तो 25 में से 16 गया तो 9. Square root of 9 is equal to 3. Okay. Here also the same. Then same relation is here also. 13 is equal to 169. 169 में से 25 गए तो 144, and 144 is a 12 is the square root of 144. Then 15 225 plus 9 81. Then 225 plus 81, that is 144. 225 plus 81, and then again the answer will be what? Do the minus. So 144, that is the answer is root of 144 is equal to 12. So here also answer is 12. Okay. Now I am sending this answer. Here IQ test is there. It is a very interesting and I like it very much. So here IQ test. Here we have to complete the following series. This I think you also very interested in this. I hope will you try to understand by yourself, or shall I have to destroy the mystery or the entertainment of this test? I don't know. I think you will like to do by yourself. So first of all, try to do by yourself, and then I'm here with in the PDF. I'm going to send you the answer also. The answering PDF, only answer of 2 chapters PDF I am sending, that is 29 and 30. In that I have given the explanation also. First try to do by yourself. I hope it will be very interesting things for you. So I am not going to destroy your entertainment which you can get by solving this IQ test. If not, answers are there in PDF. You may go through it, understand it, and even though you are not going to understand, here I am. Whenever you can meet, you may ask me. But before that, this now today what I am sending you, that is from chapter number 24 to 30, 7 chapters, but from there 24, 25, 26, 27 and 28, these 5 are only for the reading and gaining the knowledge about the particular thing, and 29 and 30 is have some questions, and I am going to send you the answer of these questions also. Okay. Here IQ test I am not going to explain. Let's have ball in your court. You may enjoy it nicely. Okay. Thank you dear friend.